This is a short video about what do you do with all the stuff that you repair. Because I've been at this for a good while now. And all this stuff that I've repaired and haven't been able to sell is really starting to add up. This is a radio you've probably seen on another video of some of the stuff. I just put it to use in my shop. I've got a cough, so sorry about all the coughing that I'm doing. These are some power supplies that I'm waiting on parts or waiting on schematics. It's kind of hard to find schematics on some stuff. That TV came from Goodwill. That TV came from Goodwill. Computer I fixed. Computer I fixed. Scanner I fixed. Subwoofer I fixed. VCR and digital converter boxes. All repairs. There's a bunch of guitars. I like to work on guitars too. I'm not real good at fixing guitars. Better at playing. Not great at playing. There's a couple of cassette players that I've bought at Goodwill, and I cleaned them up pretty good, and they work good. Another computer I fixed. A whole bunch of computers that I've decided, just to hang on to them, not to really repair them because they're so old. Some of them, I like to keep like one or two computers that will run Windows XP, just because I've got some software that I'd really like to hang on to. There's a stereo that I've pretty much redone. It's not worth anything. I see this is a problem. You fix something that's not going to be worth much, and then you're lucky if you can even break even on it. And the way shipping is right now, eBay just doesn't work for me. I just would rather just hang on to it. Another multiband radio. There's that little True Tone I repaired. Old amplifier. CB that I've cleaned, and I think I did something to the finals on it, I think. VCR, EQ. Xena TV that I repaired, or that I'm looking to repair, but I haven't bought any parts for it because parts are high, especially for Xena TVs. That one has a problem with traces on the board, so it's still probably going to be a while before I fix that. But anyway, if you know of a way to get your money back on stuff that you repair and maybe break even, that'd be a really good thing. Anyway, if you will, put it in the comments if you have any ideas of how to sell this stuff and maybe break even on repairs. Thanks for watching.